Hello. One ticket, please.
Where are you going?
To Green Valley Town.
Bus number is 12.
When does it leave?
In 10 minutes now.
How much is this?
$8 total.
Here is $10.
$2 change.
Thank you very much.
You are welcome, sir.
Where is the platform?
Platform 3, over there.
Thank you for help.
Have a good trip.
Is it a long ride?
About 2 hours.
I need a coffee.
Shop is on the left.
Excuse me, I am lost.
Which platform needed?
Number 3, please.
Go straight ahead now.
Is it far away?
No, very close.
Thank you, kind lady.
You are welcome.
Ah, I see the sign.
Yes, that is it.
Is this the line?
Yes, for bus 12.
Many people waiting.
Bus is almost here.
I hope it is warm.
It is a new bus.
Good news for me.
My bus is here too.
Which one is yours?
Number 5. Bye now. Hello. Are you going?
To Green Valley.
Me too. Long trip.
Yes, 2 hours.
I like the bus.
I like trains more.
This bus is comfy.
I hope for good sleep.
Did you get coffee?
No time for coffee.
Sit here by me.
Thank you. That is nice.
Where is your bag?
Under the seat now.
Bus is leaving now.
We are on the road.
Good luck to us.
Enjoy the ride.
My name is Sarah.
I am Tom. Nice meeting.
This seat is warm.
The sun is strong.
Close the blind, please.
Okay, done that.
Are you visiting friends?
No, I work there.
Oh, new job for you?
Yes, starting today.
Good luck with the job.
Thank you. I am nervous.
Green Valley is nice.
What is good there?
Quiet, green, and small.
I like small towns.
Where do you live?
I live far away.
City life is busy.
Too fast for me.
Look at the trees.
Very beautiful view. The bus stopped now.
It is a break time.
How long is the stop?
15 minutes only.
I need the bathroom.
It is inside there.
I need a drink.
Buy water fast.
Are you getting off?
Yes, a short walk.
Okay, see you soon.
Be back quickly, Tom.
I will not be late.
It is sunny outside.
Nice to stretch legs.
I bought an apple.
I got my coffee.
Good. Let's go now.
Time to get back on.
Driver is waiting.
The coffee is hot.
Drive safe, driver.
The bus is moving.
Now 1 hour left.
I feel better now.
Did you sleep well?
No, too excited.
Try to relax now.
This music is nice.
I like the radio.
Almost there now.
Tell me about work.
I teach art there.
That is a great job.
Yes, I love drawing.
I work in a bank.
That is hard work.
Sometimes it is busy.
We are slowing down.
Almost Green Valley.
Is that the sign?
Yes, Green Valley.
We are here now.
Last stop is next.
My job is close.
My house is near.
That is good luck.
We can share rides.
That is a great plan.
Bus is stopping now.
Time to get off.
Let's get our bags.
Careful with the door.
Okay, out we go.
What a nice day.
Welcome to the town.
Thank you, Sarah.
The station is small.
Very quiet here.
No more noise now. My car is there.
You drive a car?
Yes, small blue one.
I will walk now.
No, I can drive you.
That is too kind.
No, it is okay.
Where is your job?
The school is left.
My job is the school.
No way! Me too!
We work together.
That is very funny.
Good start to job.
Let's go now, Tom.
Follow you, Sarah.
Put your bag inside.
The trunk is open.
Get in the car.
Thank you, friend.
My car is slow.
It is a nice car.
Just 2 minutes more.
The town is pretty.
Look at the park.
Many big trees.
Children play there.
I like this feeling.
Green Valley is calm.
No city traffic.
Here is the school.
It is very large.
You are the new teacher.
Starting art classes.
I work in the office.
I will see you often.
Come say hello always.
I will do that.
Get your bag now.
Thank you for the ride.
Have a great first day.
I hope it goes well.
It will be perfect.
See you inside soon.
Yes, in 10 minutes.
I must find the office.
Go through that door.
Okay, goodbye now.
Bye, Tom. Good luck.
Thank you for everything.
My pleasure, Tom.
See you at work.
See you later.
I like this town.
It likes you too.
Time to start now.
Go, Tom. Be brave.
I will. Wish me luck.
Best of luck to you.
Thank you, Sarah.